we will be talking about the writing section of English, which is a very important section for your personal growth, for improving your vocabulary, for enhancing your imagination power, and for you yourself expressing your own emotions. Writing section is very important for your personal growth. Now, this writing section can include various topics such as letter writing, notice writing or message writing, article writing for making posters, for advertisement, and even a topic includes diary entry. So today in this particular video, we will be discussing about diary entry. Now, diary entry is nothing but just a simple writing on your behalf about some kind of event or some kind of discussions that you make with your diary. Maybe because you're happy, you're sad, you're angry, you're disappointed due to any event that may occur in your life. Now, diary entry is not that important from the real life view of point, but in examinations, diary entry comes as a topic just in order to check your creativity, to show so that the teachers can understand how imaginative you are, and also the way in which you can express yourself. So diary entry is used to test your imagination, your creativity, or expressions. The way you express, the way you have your imaginations or your creativity, all that can be expressed through diary entry. Now, there are no hard and fast rules for writing a diary. It is just your emotions that you convey by writing. But there are rules, some rules for writing diary entry. Those rules are that first you have to mention the day, then you have to mention the date on which you are writing your diary, and next you have to mention the time at which you have marked your entry in your diary. So day, date and time on the top left corner of your page. The top left corner will include date, and time. Then you will leave a line over here, and then you will say, "Dear Diary." Okay, no underlining is required, just you will say "Dear Diary" and then begin with your introduction and whatever you want, right? Now, this diary writing is informal, nothing formality is required. It is just like you speak to yourself, same way you can speak to your diary. So no formal writing is required in diary entry. Informal things can be written the way you speak to your friend, the same way you can speak to your diary. But again, there are some important points which you need to remember while writing your diary. First thing is that you should not write in your diary every day, right? Points to avoid, or I can say points to remember as well. The first point to remember is that do not write every day. We are just required to write when something extraordinary happens in our life. For example, we can show our happiness, we can show disappointment, or anger issues, right? We can write a bio sketch in our diary entry, or we can pen someone's bio Like suppose you have met a person who was a stranger, then something happened over there. Maybe you helped that stranger cross the road, and today you felt that this was an achievement because the good side of your emotions came out and you're happy that you are such a person. You were so happy that you helped that person. So that person's bio, the appearance of that person, and how you felt about that person by helping the person, so that all can include in your diary entry. Then again, you can include points not to include is that do not mention weather or railway timetable or other common things. Diary entry is meant for remembering something which was through which you were mesmerized, the memories which you want to hold, all those are written in your diary entry. But just like a common situation, like today mom baked a cake for me, today I went to tuition, that is not required in your diary entry. It is just for something which is extraordinary happening in your life. So these were some of the points that you should remember while writing your diary, and this was the format. Now let us understand that how you should write your diary through an example. So now before beginning with the example, I forgot to mention one point, and that point is that while writing your diary, make sure that you keep your diary as a secret. What is the use of writing the diary if every person comes and views what you are writing? So your diary and the content which is in that diary should be secret. If required, you can keep it encoded. Encoded means that you should write in a type that in secret writing. You can write it in a type that no one else understands your writing, right? In a coded manner. And if this is not possible, then try to get those diaries which are locked, or keep it in a safe place away from others so that no one really reads what you're writing. That is the main purpose of writing diary, that conversation is just between you and your diary. So now I will just be giving you a brief about the diary entry. If you want to understand the entire concept in detail, or if you want to go through the example, then you can visit the diary entry part in our contents, and over there the same example which I will be explaining over here is there in detail, so you can view from that. Now that question is like you have topped all the sections of your standard, and you're very happy, you're very excited, and then accordingly you have to write your diary entry in order to express your feelings and your achievement and your emotions. So this is the basic theme of your diary entry, and accordingly you have to write a diary. So here diary entry is nothing more but just of one page. So put all your emotions and all that just in a single piece of page. Now here I told you that you have to begin with date and time, day and date. So suppose I say my day is Friday, and I say it is 21st December 2020, right? Then I mention the time. Now suppose now I am free from all the work, and now I have sit down, and suppose it is 9 p.m. So it is important to mention the time at which you have made an entry in your diary. So 9 p.m. then I will leave a line. I will say, dear diary, because I'm talking to my diary, so I will say, dear diary, today I want to share something with you to your friend and you want to convey this news, and what you will say? Guess what? I have topped my class, right? So similarly, you have to portray the same emotions and the same expressions in your diary. So I'll say, guess what? I have topped all the sections of my standard, and I am so happy to make my parents proud. Then you can say that this is the greatest day of my life. I haven't achieved this much in my entire life. I'm feeling so blessed that I've scored so high marks. So you can just keep on writing like this. In the end, okay, here you have to express yourself. You have to express your emotions over here, right? Again, it can be in paragraphs as well. Later, you can end like, it is dinner time now. My mom is calling. See you later. Bye for now. And with that, I will end my diary by saying yours and then your name over here. This is the entire format and the example of diary entry. You can visit the content section, and there you will find article writing where the entire example of this question is explained. So you can have a look over there of how to write your diary entry. So my suggestion to you is that you should keep reading more so that your vocabulary becomes strong, you can express in a better manner, and therefore you can score good marks. So keep learning and keep practicing.